the end of his life, the world he thought he discovered still existed only in his imagination. Picture him in 1506, an aging man in Valladolid, Spain, his joints aching from decades at sea, his eyesight failing, his reputation already dimmer than it had been on that triumphant day at Barcelona, when he first returned with captives and gold trinkets. He's been arrested once, shipped back to Spain in chains after accusations of cruelty and misrule in the Caribbean. He's fought legal battles to regain the titles he was promised, a share of the wealth he believed was his by right. The Admiral of the Ocean Sea now spends much of his time writing letters and petitions, arguing, pleading, insisting that he has been wrong. But through all of this, one belief never wavers. He is certain he reached Asia. To his dying day, Columbus insists that the lands he sailed to are the outskirts of the Indies, the fringes of Cathay and Cipangu, Asia's eastern shores. He pores over maps of biblical prophecies. He tries to reconcile what he saw with what he expected to see. The people, the plants, the distances. None of it quite fits Marco Polo's descriptions. He rationalizes, adjusts, reinterprets. Columbus dies as he lived, the elevator, locked inside a mountain, the real world is a great stuff. History recognizes him too. In the decades after his death, other names rise. Amerigo Vespucci, whose letters describe a new world distinct from Asia. Hernan Cortez, Francisco Pizarro, men whose ruthless conquests shower Spain with silver, gold, and a scale Columbus never imagined. Cartographers start writing America on their maps. Lisbon and Seville buzz with new routes, new schemes, new empires. Columbus becomes just one among many explorers, a starting point, not a legend. The transformation from urban navigator to Neolithic hero comes much later, under very different skies. Fast forward to the 18th and 19th centuries. A new country has appeared on those maps, the United States. It has broken away from Britain and is searching for a story, a founding myth that doesn't depend on kings or ancient European traditions. Columbus is perfect. He didn't sail for England. He represents daring, risk, crossing an ocean. He could translate into a single discovery, but bold beginnings of what people call the spirit of the New World. So American writers and politicians start to reinvent him. Schoolbooks turn a complicated Genoese mariner into a flawless visionary who proved the world was round, even though educated Europeans already knew that. Paintings show him